Tire removal and installation. Remove the front wheel mounting bolts and take out the front wheel. Unscrew the valve cap and deflate the tire. Use a tire lever to pry up one side of the tire. Remove the inner tube. Finally, separate the hub from the tire. Prepare the tire. When installing the tire, pay attention to the tread direction. The side without the logo should face the brake disc. First, mount one side of the tire onto the hub. Next, insert the inner tube, making sure the valve stem is properly positioned. Finally, fit the other side of the tire onto the rim and inflate it to the proper pressure. Install the front wheel and tighten the mounting bolts.